Hello, today I will be demonstrating how to make pumpkin pie dip, which is a recipe that has been in my family for multiple years now. My grandmother actually first found the recipe on www.allrecipes.com, which that's probably 10 years ago, and if you still go to that website and type in pumpkin pie dessert or pumpkin pie dip, it's still the same exact recipe. It's a very easy recipe to make. It does not include a lot of materials or ingredients. If you go to the dollar store or just your local grocery store, you can get the recipe or the ingredients to make this dip for fairly cheap. Probably the most expensive item in this recipe is pumpkin pie spice, which runs about $5. So if you're looking for a quick dessert to whip up for Thanksgiving or Christmas or just a family gathering, I would say definitely try this one out. It's delicious and it's easy to make, and it does not cost a lot. I'm going to start out by telling you the materials you need. You need a large mixing bowl, a mixing spoon, a tablespoon or teaspoon measurement. I use a tablespoon because you need the tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice, and then just a measuring cup. The ingredients needed include a can of pumpkin pie spice, whipped topping or Cool Whip, whichever one you prefer, and a pack of vanilla pudding. For the pumpkin pie, or for the pumpkin, you will need just 1 cup of the pumpkin. You need a tablespoon of the pumpkin pie spice, 16 ounces of whipped topping or Cool Whip, which is usually about 2 containers. And then I'm using a small box of instant vanilla pudding. You want to make sure you buy instant. You can buy the large boxes, but with the large boxes, the pudding's almost an overbearing taste, and it almost takes over. So I would definitely buy the small box. But I guess you guys are just going to make the recipe and see what you guys like. And then I have a box of vanilla wafers to eat my dip with. You can try it with graham crackers. I've tried it with cinnamon graham crackers, regular graham crackers, ginger snaps, vanilla wafers just happen to be my favorite to eat it with. So now let's start with the process of making it. First you'll need to open your can of you can either have an electronic one or just a regular can opener. Measure out a cup. Show you after I get it in here. Okay. We have a cup of pumpkin pie measured out. Just empty that in. Alright, next I like to go ahead and do the pumpkin pie spice. You just need 2 tablespoons of that. 1. Then we just need to take the lids off the whipped topping. I went ahead and unsealed them so that I have them ready to go. You're just going to take your mixing spoon, mix them in. You definitely want a large mixing bowl because these containers of whipped topping take take up a lot of space. First time I made it, I used a really small mixing bowl and I made a mess. And then you just need your packet of vanilla pudding. Just sprinkle that in there. And next, just we'll whip it all together. You can either, I don't know if I saved this before, but you can either put it in the fridge when you're done, which I like to do. I like to let it chill for about an hour before eating it, just because when it gets cold, it thickens and makes it fluffier. It almost tastes like you're eating the topping off of pumpkin pie. Or you can just make it and go if you're in a hurry. Either way, it's fine. And then all you have to do is mix all that together. And when you're done, be really, you can see it. It'll be really thick and just looks just like a pumpkin Cool Whip. And then you just take your vanilla wafers and you can enjoy it. In my speech today, I had three steps that I followed. I listed the ingredients and materials I needed, exactly how much of each ingredient I needed, and then I showed you the fast, easy, and simple process of making the pumpkin pie dip. I hope you all try it. Thanksgiving's coming up. It'd be a great recipe to try, and I hope you all enjoy it and your family enjoys it as much as mine does. Thank you.